Today, we're going to walk through the steps to take if your N Series water heater is showing a fault code of EC14. Firstly, perform a hard reset by isolating all connections on the appliance. After reset, create a new demand. If code reappears immediately, this is a high-limit stat failure. If unit fires, additional heat exchanger temperature sensor checks will need to be carried out. Call tech support for guidance. Check the condition of the heat exchanger for limescale damage. Check temperature stat connections and wiring for any visible damage. Remove the screw at the back of the casing and remove the PCB. Check the PCB for any damage and ensure all connections are secured properly. Using the two push buttons on the PCB, check all settings are set correctly by cross-referencing with the installation manual. Finally, to finish, resecure the front cover and perform a hard reset to check the fault code stops showing. If the problem persists, please contact Rinnai UK technical support using the number shown at the end of the video and selecting option 2.